Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GDIT employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your GDIT employee account, first of all you have to open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for GDIT employee login. And after searching for that, you can just tap on the second option, which is employees. And after tapping on employees, now in order to log into your account, you just have to tap on this link, and it will direct you to this page where you can log in your account. So to log in your account, you just have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you are a new user, what you can do is just tap on register now and create an account if you don't have one. But if you have forgotten your account's details, it means if you have forgotten your password or your username, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password or username by tapping on this option. Having trouble with your username or password, so just tap on it, and by tapping on this option you can reset your password or your username. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply enter the new username that you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your GDIT employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.